Namaskar friends, welcome to the channel Turning Point. I hope all of you are alright. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very useful information for all those who want to teach online across the globe. And they can earn up to 50,000 per week based on their expertise. And this job is for those who are already in some job, who are professionals, who are teachers, and who are freshers, who have just completed their undergraduation or who are pursuing their masters. So all of them will be beneficial from this video. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Just type reply.com. You can check from here, unlock your potential with the best language tutors. So this is a site where you can apply as a tutor and can get a lot of students across the globe to which you can teach based on your expertise. Basically, this site is for language learning and language teaching, in which there are numerous tutorials for you can see from here English tutors, Spanish tutors, French tutors, German, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese, Arabic, etc. But if you have expertise in some other field, then you can also join as a tutor on this site. Let me show you how. I'll provide you the link of this page, which is on freeplay.com. You can check from here. If I scroll down, you can check from here, business teacher jobs. If you have expertise in teaching management subjects like business studies, etc., then the hourly average salary is $55 per hour. Then corporate finance teachers, for them, the salary is also $55 per hour. For sales teachers, the salary is same. Law teachers, 47.50. JavaScript teacher, psychology teacher, accounting teacher, Latin teacher. So these are their respective salaries which are shown in this table. So if you have expertise in any of these fields, you can see here statistics, Hebrew teacher, business strategy teacher, Java teacher, sign language, Python teacher, and algebra teachers. You can teach to any of these subjects, and apart from that, there are numerous jobs available. As I have gone through this site thoroughly, there are numerous jobs in the field of mathematics, computer science, and programming languages. And apart from that, there are numerous jobs for language skills. Numerous languages are there on which people want tutors. You can check here how many jobs are posted over here. As you can see from here, interactive online English lessons are needed with a skilled instructor. And they'll pay 833 to 1666 rupees per hour. Online Russian learning session. And the salary is about 1250 to 2083 INR per hour. This is for a French teacher. The next job is for French teacher. The next one, this is for Indonesian lessons. There are various jobs which people post every day, and they find tutors on this site where you have to apply as a teacher because you want to become an online tutor for them. So you can specify your hourly rate. Initially, it is a suggestion for you. You should set your hourly price less so that you can get more students in the beginning. And once you get established, then you can increase your hourly rate. There are numerous jobs you can see from here. I want to find help in studying English from a qualified tutor online. And for Spanish teacher, let me show you other jobs. I want to help in studying statistics from a disciplined teacher. So he wants a statistics teacher, a French teacher. There are various jobs. Let me go to the next page. See, there are math teachers required with $50 per hour is needed. Native teacher is wanted for online teaching jobs. Searching for help in studying databases from an experienced teacher. That means he wants to learn SQL, databases, DBMS. There are numerous jobs on language like English, Spanish, etc. And apart from that, the jobs on mathematics, sciences, physics, and computer science are also available. You can go through these pages and you can come to know how many jobs are available. If you want to know about the subjects, that how many subjects that can be taught on this site, then just click on find tutors. And then you can click over here, this search bar, English, Spanish, French, German. Just scroll down and you can see there are numerous subjects on which you can teach math, history, statistics, economics, chemistry, biology, algebra, physics, computer science, accounting, Portuguese, Russian, Polish. Apart from the native languages, there are numerous study-related courses which you can teach on this site, which are shown over here. Hindi, Czech, Norwegian, arts, music, acting skills, art classes, Serbian. This is one-to-one tutorial classes. On this side, there are one-to-one tutorial classes, and if you get more students on the same subject, then there will be group classes for that subject. Therefore, you need to set your time schedule on which you need to conduct your classes. See, there is Punjabi, Thai, Khmer. There are numerous languages which are available. Apart from that, there are computer science subjects like algorithms, C Sharp. This is management subject, corporate finance, geography, philosophy, sociology, psychology, social sciences. So all fields of study, all fields of subjects are available on this site on which you can teach. R programming is there, geometry, literature, 3D design, tests, law, sales, business modeling, etc. You can go through it and you can teach as per your convenience. And if you want to apply as a tutor, then you just need to click on become a tutor. Here you need to sign up either with your email address and password, or you need to sign up with Google. So once you finish your registration, then you get registered as a tutor, and then you can get students as per your expertise. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. I used to make a lot of videos on various jobs and career options. So if you want to know what jobs are in trend nowadays and which AI cannot affect, then you can click on this video. And if you want to know about how to become a data analyst, then you can click on this video. So thank you, friends. Thank you so much.